All right, what's good, guys? Here we are for a weekend review. This week I took 3 trades, so let's look at each of them individually and see what I could have improved on. So, first of all, here's our kind of big overview, 4 hours. You can see 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 trades we took. So I'm going to zoom in on the 1 hour. Our week bias on all of the trades for the daily and the weekly was bullish. So all the trades I took this week were longs. So anyways, I'm getting right into it. Here we can see on the 1 hour, we have this order block right here. You can kind of see that more in detail on a lower time frame. I think it was the 15-minute. We had this big push up. Price starts tracing back to this order block back near the AM session on Tuesday. Zoom further in, going to the 15-minute. Yes, here you can see the order block, imbalances within there. And obviously, starting here, going all the way up there. If it's coming back down, it's in equilibrium at a discount. So I start looking for entries over here. Honestly, I could have said this trade was kind of rushed since it was my first week trading in like a while. Because, the more I look at it, the more dumb it kind of looks. Like, obviously, like, price was trending down, and you saw that on the hourly as well. So, it's conflicting trends. It's not really a good idea to trade on those kind of days. But whatever. Zooming into a further time frame, the 5-minute. Got to zoom back out. We can see the order block even more in detail here, the fair value gaps, all those imbalances. Zoom even further in, and we entered upon like the 50% like infringement of this fair value gap down here, as you can see. Obviously, we get entered at a higher price. That's how brokers work. You guys know the drill. And price just continues to trend down. Then it idles for a lot. You can see the side movement, and then stops us out finally. Then the day after, I'm still bullish on my daily and my weekly. So again, I'm looking for longs. I identify this 5-minute order block, as you can see right here, in the pre-session Wednesday morning. And then I start noticing price push up from it, and then push, stay in it, but keep pushing up. And then this time I was looking in 1-minute time frame because I wanted to take a trade that lasted me a relative short amount of time. So as you can see here, we go further in, and obviously we're playing in this order block. We come down here, we push up, we create this imbalance within here. Equilibrium is right here. We infringe upon equilibrium, get to our discount, boom, enter, and then we shoot for take profits around here, which is where this big, I don't know if you can see, that huge imbalance is right there. And honestly, I can't lie. We won the trade, which is good, obviously, but we got pretty lucky. As you can see, we barely tapped to our take profit, and then price just shot down even more for the week. And then finally, our trade today, Friday, we go over here. Thursday morning, I didn't trade. I wasn't feeling I was feeling fine, but I just did not see a good opportunity, and I wasn't feeling like trading without a good opportunity. I'm yapping too much. Whatever. Here on the higher time frame, there was this 15-minute order block within here. On the lower time frame, we have this 1-minute order block within here that you can see on the 5-minute sort of ish. And then we have this big imbalance here. Then I measured out equilibrium from the bottom of this to the top of this, which came out to be around here. So in our AM session today, as price started pushing down, I entered in the 1-minute time frame after price had respected this fair value gap here, shot back up, and it shot back up really rapidly. So it created an imbalance within itself. So then I measured out equilibrium from here to here. Boom, we respect equilibrium. That fair value gap, boom, enter, sniper. And it was going well, but then price just completely came back through. So the big problem this week, honestly, trading with conflicting bias. We still won one trade, but as you guys can see, we barely won that, and that would have gone the other way had my take profit placement not been that good / lucky. So honestly, I need to stop trading conflicting biases or if I'm going to trade with a certain bias, even if other time frames are like arguing against it, like telling me no, this is not the bias, I need to at least look for confirmations on higher time frames or lower time frames that that trend is being followed. And I think there is like kind of like a, not a strategy, but there's definitely like a, I forget what it's called. There's something, but it's like where you arrays, I think, where you look for like price respecting your trends points of interest, and if it respects enough of those, then that gives you kind of like a confirmation that that trend is the actual trend in the market at the moment. So yeah, I mean, for the week, we had 3 trades, 1 won, and I mean, just coming back from like almost pretty much like a month of not trading consistently. Like I probably traded once in that month, and I'm not gonna make excuses. Like I was just waking up late. I was not wanting to go to bed early to wake up in the morning, which is kind of bad. And I mean, I got off track with college and stuff. But now I'm kind of more in a position now that I have like all my grades collected and like kind of in control. In college, I'm kind of more in a position where I'm ready to start putting more focus into other things. And I think definitely trading is one that I need to put my focus back onto. And I know this is really stupid, and every beginner trader does this. It's kind of like the canon event. But I do think I'm going to get a funded just so that I can like commit myself to the game in a way. Like a funded obviously is going to cost me money. So I'm paying to participate, which is going to not like, which is in a way going to like incentivize me more to wake up and put the effort to trade in the morning, just due to the fact that it's like, okay, well, I already paid for this. I need to do it. Like, I don't want to put it to waste. Yeah, you guys get me. But yeah, anyways, that's the weekend review. I'm going to get my phone real quick here just to show y'all my prices, not my prices, my trade recap on MetaTrader. Down 1% on the week, like 1.2%, 124. Those were the 3 trades. And yeah, next week, hop on a funded, start getting deeper into it. Finally, start committing myself to like ICT. Like I've been putting that off for so long. I don't even know why. But yeah, peace.